Welcome to Excel Highway, your one-stop shop for all your Excel needs. Today I want to talk to you about spell checking in Excel. It's a great feature that exists in Excel. I'm not sure that everyone's aware of it, but it could really help you with the visualization part of your file. I know this happened to me a lot when I built this really nice file, and eventually I had, spelling mistakes, and it just ruined the entire file and the entire feeling. You end up, feeling embarrassed that you have these spelling mistakes. So Excel actually gives you that option to do it very easily, and I'll show you how. Here on the ribbon, you have the review part and you have spelling. Or there's also a shortcut, as you see, using F7. On my laptop, I have to press on function F7, but you can also access it through here. So review spelling, and basically there are a few options. Ignore once, ignore all, which basically means it's ignoring it. Ignore once meaning it's going to ignore only this case. Ignore all is going to mean that whenever it sees this name, it's going to ignore that within the sheet. Add to dictionary basically allows you to add words to the dictionary, and change will change it to one of these. So you see I have more than one option. Change all will change all, and autocorrect is supposed to help you change the words as you type them, but I don't really use that. So um, what I'm going to show you is, for example, if you click on ignore once, so that skips just for the next case even if it's the same word. If you click on all, it's just going to skip everything, and eventually you're going to get this pop-up message: do you want to continue checking at the beginning of the sheet? It's always recommended to click on yes, and then it's just going to go through an entire sheet. What happens is wherever you're located, that's where the spelling will start. So if I'm here at task, it's going to start at task. If I'm here at production, for example, let me just go ahead and change all and commission. Okay, so now you see that it just changed all, and now it didn't ask me to go back to the beginning of the sheet. Okay, so that's pretty simple, but a very effective solution that you can use, and I highly recommend, and I'm pretty sure that once you do that, you won't stop using it. So if you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and hope to see you next time. Take care.